In this video, we are going to talk about the vertical line test, which is a test you can do for the graph of a function, for a graph, to determine if it is in fact a function. So we have the definition. A graph defines y as a function of x if no vertical line intersects the graph in more than one point. Another way to think about that is this. If a vertical line, and I'm going to just abbreviate vertical line VL, intercepts a graph or intersects a graph in more than one point, comma, then the graph, it fails the vertical line test, which I'm going to abbreviate VLT, and the graph is not a function. So just to demonstrate, we'll look at this first graph, which is the graph of a circle. And there are actually several different vertical lines that I could draw through this circle in which it would intersect the circle in more than one point. So when you graph a circle on the coordinate plane, it is not a function. If we look at number 2, well, let me try drawing some vertical lines. Well, that one passed. It only intersects here. I can try to draw another one over here. Well, it passed there. It only intersects there. And if I kept doing that, then I don't think I can find a vertical line that intersects this graph in more than one point. So this is a function. What about number 3? At first glance, you might think number 3 is a function. But if I draw a vertical line over the y-axis, you see that it actually intersects here and here. So because of that one vertical line, this is not a function. However, if I made one of these pairs an open circle, or both of them an open circle, then it would be a function. But because they're both filled in, then it crosses that vertical line in more than one point, and number 3 is not a function.